Hello everyone.
Advocate Tifo opens defamation case against Julius Malema, the leader of the EFF, and Kelly Khumalo's lawyer. The EFF leader is once again in trouble. Ziyakhala uyayiva ke ngoku. Advocate Masilela Tifo, the former defense lawyer of 4 of the men accused in the murder trial of Senzo Meyiwa, has opened a case against defamation of character and crimen injuria. Gauteng police spokesperson Captain Mavela Masondo confirmed to the Citizen News that a case of crimen injuria had been opened by Tifo at Johannesburg Central and Brixton police stations. The case is currently under investigation. Tifo, who said in July, when he withdrew as the accused defense advocate, told Judge Chifua Maumelo he was being harassed by the state and court. Before he withdrew, Advocate Tifo wrote to the High Court demanding that Police Minister Bekele be fired and that Khumalo be prosecuted in the murder trial. He also demanded that the state prosecutor Advocate George Baloyi be removed from the case. Allegations against Tifo range from assault and harassment of police officers to using his foul language and threatening clients who wanted to fire him. He is also accused of violating a court interdict and taking money from clients. Despite not being a trust account advocate, the Legal Practice Council (LPC) has applied to have him suspended or struck from the role of advocates in light of the allegations against Tifo. The advocate claims the LPC's application to have him disbarred was orchestrated by police, the NPA and courts. Similar claims have been made against Malema and Cele, with him saying he exposed an unsubstantiated alleged corrupt relationship between them. What are your thoughts on this one? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.